finally here. Why did it take so long? I called you.
6 minutes ago, Professor. And we were at the other end of the city.
This is our new record, by the way. What's up? Why'd you make us rush here?
It's a little embarrassing.
Oh, come on, spit it out.
I've got a new device that copies any small items and makes them big. And possibly the opposite, too. I've tested it on some special track pieces. 5 of them, before understanding it wasn't broken. It just, needed a little more time. 10 seconds, to be precise.
No, don't tell me.
Wait, what?
I'm afraid I've unleashed 5 creatures. They made some horrible noises and have escaped.
Oh, you finally arrived, folks. Why did it take so long?
Here you come. We arrived 5 minutes ago.
I'm detecting a 74% chance you're being sarcastic. Can you confirm? That would improve my future performance. Oh, did you accept my cookie policy, by the way?
Professor, this is way worse than the living ooze.
Way worse.
Calm, calm. I already have an idea.
To worsen the situation, can you fix it?
Well, technically, I would need your help to implement my clever plan.
Okay, as usual, you got something, but we need to get our hands dirty. No problem. We're the Hot Wheels racing team.
Okay, you could wait to fight the creatures as giants, or...
That's a bad idea.
Professor, hurry! In case you didn't notice, the clock is ticking. They could be anywhere doing serious damage.
Or fight them toy-sized. Use the Shrinkatron to beam them small again, and beam yourselves too.
What? Why fight if you can shrink them?
While magnification is a stable process, shrinking isn't. So it would last a very short time.
What looks like a drawback is a guarantee. You'll eventually be back to normal size. If you don't get smashed while scaled down, obviously.
Like, no.
It's, absolutely safe. The device is portable, easy to operate, and...
Didn't I already say no?
Robert, this could be the only way.
I'm not getting miniatured anytime soon.
But you could drive all the Hot Wheels you want while fighting.
Wait, what?
All of them. All!
I need to warn you, there's a 0.001% chance that the shrinking process...
Nah, shush. I don't even want to know. Darla, I'm in.
Fine. Professor, activate the Shrinkatron.
The Shrinkatron!
Fine. That thing on us, now.
There is a 99% probability of...
Having fun! Go!
This action is not good for my hair. See how it looks dry?
So, creatures are ravaging the city and your problem is dry hair?
Easy for you to say. Try to focus on me for a moment.
I could try to adapt a formula I have to...
No, we don't need another living ooze. Not now.
Humans. So resourceful and so problematic.
We found it! Quick, Darla, activate the Shrinkatron!
Wow, it works!
We'll see how it works on living things instead of toy creatures.
We're not just living things. We're your friends.
Your big friends.
Now my tiny friends.
It works!
Quick, let's jump into a car and finish this thing once and for all. Look, there's a race tomorrow.
What's the big deal? There's always a race in town.
The prize?
That is...
A twin mill.
You don't really need it.
But you do. Am I wrong? And listen, we'll do that race and I'll win it, and I might consider some good offers for that car.
Challenge accepted.
Oh my, you never have enough of this.
Stingy thing, you're toast.
No more pinching with your, pinchers. When I was young and inexperienced...
Last week?
Haha, I was saying, I used to pick big cars like monster trucks, pickups, you know?
Why? To show that you were strong and bold?
Possibly. What a psychological explanation from you. Now that I'm a much better driver, I can pick up any car and get the best out of it.
Yeah, I matured a lot too. I just feel the best drive for each race.
I can propose an algorithm that calculates the optimum vehicle based on...
Oh, we don't need it, right? Because we know how these experienced drivers choose their vehicles.
weighted Gaussian distribution? Fuzzy logic with heuristic correction?
They choose by color.
How did you know?
This is the most annoying boss ever.
I thought the Scorpion was unbeatable, and now this?
I suggest coordinated action to exploit the 3.2 seconds between each sonic wave attack.
Robert, he's right. With me. Now, here we go. The first shrinking selfie in history.
No more flapping around, Taro, thingyless. We're getting pretty famous in town. Lots of people I don't know say hello, and you're great when I walk down the street.
Sometimes fame can be tricky to manage. Be careful.
Nonsense. With proper management, it can be an opportunity.
What do you know about it?
My fan club subscriptions are doing pretty well, for instance.
Fan club?
Obviously, there's a basic subscription, a premium sub that grants you a signed picture, and a VIP sub that allows you to have a meet and greet.
XR046, would you pass me a screwdriver?
That requires the elite subscription, Professor.
Oh, dang, I hate the cold.
Don't have to tell me. I grew up in a swimsuit. Literally.
I agree with your dislike of low-energy statuses, but we have to do something.
Maybe if we can find a heat source.
Or freeze it even more and use a blasting wave.
Didn't Professor have a sonic wave device that... What?
Time for action!
Professor, would you be able to, I don't know, make some kind of weapon to help us?
I wouldn't feel safe driving around the city with a laser cannon, Robert.
In every action movie with creatures, there are big weapons.
In fact, I made one last night.
Really? What were you waiting for to tell us?
Does it work? I mean, not like the other weird things you've done recently.
It works perfectly.
And so, can we use it?
I dismantled it.
Why?
I thought it would be unfair to blast our way through.
Unfair?
Well, that wouldn't be a race anymore. This is it! The final battle!
The final battle!
No pressure, huh?
We've made it this far. A last effort.
Quick, or it'll vaporize the neighborhood.
Professor, beam us, now!
May I suggest also shrinking the creature, just to keep the battle even.
Oh, how could I forget?
It's over. We did it!
Darla, are you still in one piece? Professor, are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine. A little shaken up, but fine. XR046, where are you?
My current location is 47 degrees north.
Why do you need to be so precise all the time? Okay, you're fine too.
I can't believe it's over. The city is safe.
Professor, you owe us a holiday for this. Paid in full.
Sure, friend, you deserve it. But, oh my, what have I done? Oh, these people will never forgive me.
Listen, they're already shouting at us. We'll have to leave the city. Oh, poor me. Condemned by the ineptitude of my creator.
Professor, this doesn't sound like disappointment to me.
What do you mean, Darla? They have to be furious.
Well, turns out they're not. Listen, they're jubilant.
True. I can assess an 87% chance they're right from a spectrum analysis of their voices.
What? Nonsense!
Look up, Professor. These track pieces are gorgeous.
We could race on them, just like we did in the battle. But now, it's safe.
Professor, ride the moment. Tell them it's your gift to the city. They'll love you, and, forget all the other messes you made.
Really?
Really?
Fellow citizens, do you like the gifts I prepared for you? A little surprise.
So, let's celebrate the way we like most. Let's go racing!